What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when you have no audio and other sound problems in OBS Studio. Let's get started by checking the audio mixer in OBS Studio. Open OBS and look at the audio mixer section. Here you will see sliders for desktop audio and your microphone. If either slider is turned all the way down to the left, your audio will be muted. To fix this, drag the sliders to the right to re-enable the audio. Once you've adjusted these, test by recording or streaming to see if the audio works. If this doesn't resolve the problem, the next step is to ensure OBS is set to use the correct devices. Start by locating your microphone in the audio mixer. Click the three dots next to it and select Properties. In the Properties window, click the drop-down menu under Device and select the exact microphone you're using. For example, if you're using a USB microphone, make sure it's listed and select it here. After selecting the correct microphone, click OK to apply the changes. Now, repeat this process for your desktop audio. Click the three dots next to Desktop Audio, choose Properties, and from the drop-down menu under Device, select the correct output device you're using, such as your headphones or speakers. Click OK to save your settings. Once done, test by recording a short video to check if the sound issues are resolved. If you're still experiencing problems, it's time to check your audio devices in your Windows 11 settings. In your Start menu, search for Settings and open the app. Navigate to System and then Sound. Under Input, ensure that the correct microphone is selected. Speak into your microphone and observe the input meter, the blue line. If the blue line moves, it means your microphone is working properly. If no sound is detected, click the Troubleshoot button next to the input devices, and Windows will scan your microphone for issues and attempt to fix them automatically. Next, verify your output device. Under Output, ensure the correct speakers and headphones are selected. You can also run the Troubleshoot tool for output devices to resolve any issues. If your microphone still isn't working, adjust the microphone privacy settings. In the Sound settings, look for a link labeled Microphone Privacy Settings on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, you can search for it in your Start menu. In the Microphone Privacy Settings window, ensure the toggle for microphone access is set to On. Ensure the toggle for Let Apps Access Your Microphone is set to On. Scroll down and enable Let Desktop Apps Access Your Microphone. OBS Studio should appear in the list of apps that have access to your microphone. If it doesn't, make sure the setting is turned on. Once you've adjusted these privacy settings, return to OBS and test again by recording or streaming. OBS should now detect your microphone and audio input properly. If all else fails, try updating OBS Studio to the latest version. In OBS, go to Help and select Check for Updates and follow the prompts to install any available updates. Updates often include fixes for common audio-related bugs and compatibility issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.